Same thing, a little bit faster. These 16th notes are going to be flying. All right, let's start with 8th notes to get in the groove though. 1, 2, 1, 2, and ready and go, and and 3 and 4 and 1 and now I'm going to count 16th notes. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E. That's fine. 1E and a 2E and a 1E and a 2. All we have to do is add that upstroke. No tension. We don't need any tension. Nice and loose. 2E and a from the wrist. 1E and a 2E and a. Nice and light. Lightly graze those strings. This is fast. Graze the strings. Lightly graze the strings with your strumming hand. Nice and light. Loosely, loosely. No struggle at all. Flow, nice and easy. This is moving, but it's gentle like a breeze. Let's go back to 8th notes. And ready and go, and it's a different feel, isn't it? Always counting. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We aren't following the beat, we are on the beat. Yes. This is so triumphant, right? Let's go back to breezy with 16th notes. One, two, three, four, 1. All right, let's wrap it up. And you did it great.